Grocery time again, mga kalifey. Ayan. Si Joel. It's grocery time, mga kalifey. Yan mga kalifey, nag-grocery kami ng mga dadalhin namin sa US. Yan. So yung iba wala dito, so lilipat kami sa isang grocery. No. So ayan mga kalifey, dahil hindi kompleto doon sa kabila, nandito kami sa isang grocery store. Tapos na kami ng grocery and sakay na kami. Ito naman kami sa palengke. So here now mga kalifey, we are here at the wet market and we're buying different kind of fish and of course squid. Ayan, so which is my sister Helen requested. Yum, yum, yum. Caleb! Wet market! So now mga kalifey, we are here also to buy dried fish, which we Filipinos usually having it for breakfast. And now mga kalifey, it's time to buy some vegetables. And I want this squash, Filipino squash. Excuse me. We're done shopping. Ang init-init. Kuha kayo ng pangbuko pandan. Oo naman. Hindi ka ba nakakatikim ng buko pandan? Kuha kami ng buko pandan. Sila mga planggana hawak namin. Nakapli ba yan? Nakita mo manahilin yung nag-viral. Kasi hindi siya akala niya napindot niya na, diba? Ang sakit nun. Diba, minsan, nakalimutan mo pindutin. Nag-viral yun eh.
Akala mo lang hindi na.
Oo.
Hindi na video yun kasi naano yun eh. Pati ang pabungot. Ano dapat yung pakudo? Pwede naman, ikaw mo.
So ayan mga kalifey, we are collecting coconut water since it's very beneficial for our body. And I actually mga kalifey, I guzzled a lot of coconut water because it's really good for our kidneys. Well, that's what I heard from the doctors. And it's really tastes good though. It's very refreshing. And mga kalifey, you could actually add sugar, milk with ice to your preference. I'm telling you, it's really yum. So today, they're making an ibos. Is one of the best traditional and well-known Filipino snacks. Sabi ko kay Nining, dito na lang sa kabila eh. See?
Galing ni Manay Bit, nakaka-follow siya sa akin. Susuk-suk na siya, di ba?
Laba-laba pa. So, mga kalifey, since today is my mom's first death anniversary, So, here in the Philippines, we have a tradition to gather together with family and friends in remembrance of our loved ones who pass away. Sige, kain lang. So, yan mga kalayfi, we're here again at the market and I know it's an endless shopping for food since today is my 41st birthday with my twin sister. Wait lang kuya ha. So, mga kalayfi, this is the fruit that Filipinos love rice. Can't you see that? The truck is filled with sacks of rice. So now mga kalayfi, we are here again at the grocery because we need more groceries and more groceries. Okay. We're done shopping mga kalayfi. We're going home. Oo. Ano naman kasi yun?